Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Public goods are tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's look at why the government steps in to provide these specific goods for everyone. Public goods are defined by being non-excludable and non-rival. This means you cannot stop people from using them, and one person's use does not reduce the amount available for others. Because they are non-excludable, private firms cannot easily charge users. This creates a free rider problem where people benefit without paying, so private companies have no incentive to produce them. This lack of profit leads to underproduction by the private sector. Therefore, the government must provide them, making option E our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for success.